Good day everyone. We are in Vienna. We are just holding our largest channel partner event in Europe with 300 key channel partners for Xylem in Europe, and our colleagues came together today and tomorrow, and we're talking about how we can partner even closer to accelerate our growth with our customers and, as importantly, provide solutions to the pressing issues that our customers and our communities are facing today with water.
Io sono Jessica Moccia della Vima Clima. La partnership con Xylem va avanti da circa 10 anni. Per un'azienda come la mia, dove il focus è quello di puntare alla qualità, non poteva che essere una scelta comunque molto vantaggiosa.
I am Krešimir Kanjir. I'm working in company Etal, that is Xylem distributor in Croatia and Bosnia. The biggest value coming from Xylem for us is constant innovations and improvements that teach us how to be better and to foresee the future technologies, products and market development.
I'm Petya Rusinova from Statt, Bulgaria. Almost 20 years I'm working with Luvara, which is one of the most recognizable brands of Xylem. This fact only shows the importance of our relationship.
Hello, my name is Lex van der Ende. I'm Managing Director of the Van der Ende Group. We've got 4 branches, 2 in the Netherlands, 1 in Belgium and 1 in North America. We value the most of the partnership with Xylem is openness, transparency and gaining mutual strategies and opportunities.
We are working together with all Xylem colleagues, so 17,000 colleagues worldwide supporting our social activities, but also we are engaging partners like you are our stakeholders on the Watermark side, and we work together with global NGOs.
And we have this wonderful partnership with Manchester City. Manchester City has huge global reach. Football every weekend is watched by over 2 billion people. So Manchester City brings a bit of stardust, a bit of glamour, and a bit of reach to the relationship, with Xylem offering innovation, technology, and all of our passion that we have around solving global water issues.
Hello, I'm Tom Pitchon. I run the Global Foundation for Manchester City Football Club. Very excited to be here today, and also to be working with Xylem to use the passion for football to help solve water challenges across the world.
My name's Kevin Dunford, Trisale Portsmouth. I value the relationship with Xylem very highly. Mainly the support we get from the office, the individuals involved in the business, the products that are fantastic, and overall just the initiatives they bring to our company. It's a fantastic company to be involved with. It's nice to be involved in any sort of charity, especially one as important as solving water. Obviously, water challenges out there in the global are difficult, but having Xylem available to support us through that are fantastic.
Hello, good day. My name is Johan from Belgium. I'm doing business with Xylem for more than 20 years. And let's be honest, it's not only about selling pumps. It's not only the economic reason, but the charity we did last evening was great. I mean, I'm glad I could help people in Ukraine like this.
My name is Georgios Stratiadis. I'm the CEO of Edator. From Greece, we are distributing Xylem products for 46 years. The great value of being a partner of Xylem for so many years is common efforts on solving water products in my country, which has a lot of water problems because the hot weather and the very severe climate crisis. It's been a great pleasure for us to participate in this auction. It's about providing a message to everyone. We must contribute, assist people with water problems all around the world.
I am so thankful for everyone who's created an amazing venue, and more importantly, a very transparent and open dialogue with our partners. So pleased to see this is coming together.